Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrator rights. You'll need them to remove program files and registry entries. Once done, close Visual Studio Code and any terminals using it, because open files block removal. Now open Settings with Win+I or via the Start menu to access apps. You do this first so the system can unregister services and remove shortcuts cleanly. It prevents file in use errors and speeds up the uninstallation that follows. You locate Visual Studio Code in Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Installed Apps and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove the main program. Once the uninstaller finishes, make sure to remove leftover user data by deleting code folders in %appdata% and %localappdata%. This clears extensions, settings, and caches. If you installed via the Microsoft Store or widget, repeat removal there. You do this to ensure a clean slate, in case you plan to reinstall or free up disk space. You finish by cleaning environment variables. Open System Properties, right arrow Advanced right arrow Environment Variables, and remove any code or VS Code path entries, then restart Windows to finalize service and file cleanup. If you know how, check the registry for leftover keys under HKCU and HKLM and delete only VS Code entries. Backup before editing. If uninstallation fails, run the uninstaller as administrator, reboot and try again, or use a trusted third-party uninstaller to force remove stubborn files and registry traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.